plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I am making Zubat for Halloween. I'm so excited to show this one to you guys. I have this really fun pumpkin paper for it, and really bright blue and purple papers, and I hope that you enjoy. I know it's not a ghost type, but it just seemed like it had to be done this month. This was the only month I could make Zubat, I felt like. So I made him. And I did each of the body parts separately, so the main body, the two tails, the ears, as well as the wings, I all cut out separately. The wings were really hard because to get those like spindly blue pieces, I had to cut really thin. But yeah, it turned out. I think it's a really cute one that I've made. And the only problem with this one is that it's another one that didn't quite want to fit on the page because the tail is so long. You'll see that I do modify him a little bit to fit on my 8.5 by 11 paper. I'm curious, what is everybody crafting lately? What are you guys making? I want to hear. Tell me all about it. I'm still making Pokemon. I am thinking about other like creative things that I want to start. I'm thinking about maybe writing. I don't know, like writing some stories or a book or something. I've been reading a lot lately too, though, so that's probably why I'm thinking that. I feel like I'm finally at a place in my life where things are pretty stable, and I can just use my free time to make whatever I feel like making, and like I don't have to worry. It's nice. It's a cozy place to be in, to know that I have a little bit of time every day to sit down and make something. It's very nice, and I'm really grateful for that. So as you can see, I am thinning out the wing and getting ready to trace the second side, which was so difficult because all the pieces, it's flimsy, it's trying to move around. Yeah, this bit took me a while. And next, I'm trying to glue those little spindly pieces down to the purple paper. Again, really tough, very thin pieces. I see some papercraft artists just making like insane sculptures with all sorts of really small pieces, and I'm so impressed because even with this I struggle a little bit. And then I glue the wings to the back of the body, like so. So next I have to get the ears ready. I debated using 2 shades of purple because in the game art there's kind of 2 colors, but I ended up just sticking with the one. I thought that it looked pretty sharp just like that. I'm always happy when I can make something simpler. There's no need to overcomplicate it when I don't have to. So strange that we can't see Zubat's eyes. It doesn't have eyes though, right? I don't think it has eyes at all. But then when it turns into Golbat, it has eyes. Pokemon evolution. I don't know sometimes. So for the background, I have this really nice pumpkin paper, and it had little bits of gold on the white pumpkins, so I'm using some gold washi tape that matches nicely. I think it's almost like too fancy for Zubat, but that's alright. I think it's a Pokemon that deserves to be elevated once in a while instead of just being the Pokemon everyone's annoyed at because there's too many of them in a cave. And finally, just getting my tape down and putting it all together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just have to put Zubat's teeth on and then I will be done here. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you again soon.